So I just stumbled upon this project called Walrus. It's a distributed message streaming engine and it sounds super interesting.
Wait, a distributed message streaming engine. What makes it stand out compared to others like Kafka?
Well, one thing that caught my eye is its automatic load balancing through segment-based leadership rotation.
Oh, that's intriguing. How does that actually work? Does it manage to distribute the load efficiently?
Exactly, each topic is divided into segments and each segment has a designated leader. It rotates leadership during rollovers.
That's pretty clever. But wait, does that create any potential bottlenecks during the transition?
Good question. From what I read, it has fault tolerance via raft consensus, which helps in managing those transitions smoothly.
Raft consensus, huh? That's a solid method for managing distributed systems. It's interesting to see it applied here.
Right, and the fact that it also supports sealed segments for historical reads is a neat feature.
Sealed segments. So, does that mean once a segment is sealed, it can still be read from other replicas?
Exactly, that allows for efficient reads without impacting ongoing writes. It's like having your cake and eating it too.
That's a great way to put it. But I wonder, how does it ensure data consistency when segments are sealed?
They use lease-based write fencing, which means only the leader can write to a segment. This prevents data corruption during leadership changes.
Ah, got it. So the leader holds a lease that ensures it has exclusive writing rights, which is smart.
Exactly, plus it has a 100 ms sync loop to maintain lease consistency. It's quite robust.
But what happens if the leader fails? Does it automatically elect a new one?
Yes, the raft consensus handles that too, so the system maintains stability even in the event of failures.
That's impressive. I also noticed it claims to have high-performance storage using EO-Uring. What's that about?
EO-Uring is a newer Linux feature that allows for more efficient I/O operations. It enables asynchronous operations, which boosts performance.
So, combining that with their architecture seems like it could lead to significant performance benefits.
Absolutely. In their benchmarks, Walrus even outruns Kafka and RocksDB in terms of write throughput.
Wow, that's a bold claim. But I wonder, are there any downsides to using Walrus over more established platforms?
That's fair to question. The documentation mentions a comprehensive test suite, but it might still lack the maturity and ecosystem of Kafka.
Right? And with a newer project, you might run into issues or missing features that are standard in older systems.
Exactly, plus without a large user base, support and community resources might be limited.
That's crucial to consider. But if it delivers on its promises, it could be a game changer for certain use cases.
Definitely, it seems ideal for situations where performance and fault tolerance are critical, especially in real-time systems.
And let's not forget about the simplicity of the client protocol. It looks easy to interact with.
Yeah, it's a text-based protocol over TCP, which makes it accessible for developers to get started quickly.
This is turning out to be quite the discovery. I'm curious how it compares to other niche platforms too.
For sure, exploring its niche applications could reveal some unique advantages over those alternatives.
You know, this really makes me think about the future of message streaming tech. It's evolving fast.
Absolutely, and with projects like Walrus, it feels like we're just scratching the surface of what's possible.
So true. Plus, I love how innovations can often disrupt the market, challenging established norms.
Exactly, it's exciting to think about the new possibilities and improvements in data handling.
I'm definitely going to keep an eye on Walrus and see how it develops over time.
Same here, I wonder what other innovations might come up as distributed architectures continue to evolve.
It's a fascinating field for sure. There's so much potential to unlock with better technologies.
And I feel like we've just opened a door to so many more discussions about distributed systems.
Definitely. Each insight leads to more questions, and that's what keeps the conversation going.
So what do you think is the biggest takeaway from our dive into Walrus?
I'd say it's the balance of performance and fault tolerance. That's a powerful combo.
For sure, and it challenges us to think about how we leverage these features in practical applications.
Absolutely. It's all about finding the right tool for the job and walrus might be it for some.
I can't wait to see how it gets adopted and what real-world applications surface.
Same, maybe it'll inspire other innovations in distributed systems as well.
Here's hoping. This was a great conversation. I feel like we uncovered a lot.
Agreed, let's keep exploring these emerging technologies. There's always something new.